我覺得進展太快啦，大家。外星人未跟得上美國人嘅節奏啊，各位。我話唔好意思啊，我搞到你成塊面都係。跟住然之後條女就話係啊，我通常同人第二次低嗰陣時先會咁噶，咁都唔叫 friend 咩？咁都唔叫 friend 咩？咁都唔叫 friend 咩？我講第3次啦，我覺得佢喺度用佢嘅美貌嚟勾引我啊。
Hi, I'm Blonde-Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network. Present you with a proposition.
佢係咪想我錢啊
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
聽落幾有意思。
Well,
我唔
I have
sure
to say
喎，但係
this,
都
it
靚
does
女。
sound intriguing.
靚女啊，我應該都冇損失嘅。我而家又已經係一個窮撚啦。
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water.
哇，點算好啊？我哋喺一個唔係咁好嘅情況之下交換咗體液。啊，唔好意思，啱啱
I know
嘔
I
咗喺你
shouldn't
度。
bring it up because it was mortifying for the both of us, but
唔好意思，啱啱
I'm
掠咗喺
seriously
你度
sorry。about the whole spitting thing.
Yeah, that's usually like a second date kind of thing with me.
點解佢係咁？
I'm joking.
點解佢係咁喺度性暗示我呀？點算好啊？
Totally. Yeah, I was thinking about
條女好主動啊！大家主角接收到太大量嘅性暗示，唔知點算好。哇，好主動啊佢，點算好啊？可能條女細嗰時俾機械人救過啩，就算係咁樣細嗰時佢救佢嗰個都唔係我啦，唔係咩？錫佢，錫佢，錫佢，錫佢，錫佢。可能呢個先係男主角真正嘅超能力。男主角好忙噶，我覺得我覺得進展太快啦，大家。外星人未跟得上美國人嘅節奏啊，各位。
I'm sorry if I give the wrong impression.
乜嘢啊？你由頭到尾你都喺度暗示我，然之後而家我錫完就 what the 好難捉摸啊！因為我有啲 B 處，唔係儲唔儲得跟埋嘅問題咯，大佬。喂，等等，首先即係我一定要暫停，因為我有好多嘢想講。我話唔好意思啊，我搞到你成塊面都係。跟住然之後條女就話係啊，我通常同人第二次低嗰陣時先會咁噶，咁都唔叫 friend 咩？咁都唔叫 friend 咩？咁都唔叫 friend 咩？我講第3次啦，即係外星人係唔做呢啲，但係唔等於我聽唔明呢啲 ，OK？ 然之後你而家先至同我講，唔係啊，咁即係佢個 B 住位唔單止係坐唔坐咁埋咁簡單咯，即係坐埋啲咁我當係啦，即係大家親密少少咁樣飲個酒啊嘛，攬頭攬頸咁都算啦，但係唔係講啲咁嘅嘢啊嘛，係咪先啊？屌啦！你睇下條女，你睇下條女乜嘢啊？影低罪證先。
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we
我覺
thought
得
of
我覺得
well, why Trackstar thought of you.
哇！我覺得唔得啊！我覺得佢喺度用佢嘅美貌嚟勾引我啊！大家肯定係西宮嚟啊！如果係好宮就唔使咁樣揾人啦，所以一定係西宮嚟。
I'm not done saving you yet.
即係呢個係外星人嘅理論係啦。如果有啲嘢 too good to be true 嘅話咧，咁就一定唔係 true 噶啦。
Are you ready to go? Who is this? I thought I cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend.
咁佢做乜 flirt 我啊？佢有男朋友做乜 flirt 我啊？美國人嘅價值觀係嘛？
Robert,
文化衝突啊！大家條女有仔都真係 flirt 人浸豬籠。借問聲師兄係咩年代過嚟？時光機幾時發明啊？